What if I told you that in just 5 minutes, you could create a breakfast that will keep you energized all morning long? Today I'm showing you how to transform simple oats and eggs into a powerhouse meal that tastes incredible. This isn't your typical oatmeal or scrambled eggs. We're combining them in a way that maximizes nutrition while keeping prep time under 5 minutes. Oats provide complex carbohydrates and fiber that give you sustained energy, while eggs deliver complete protein and healthy fats. Let's jump straight into the recipe. First, grab your 1 cup of oats and add them to a microwave-safe bowl. Pour in 1 cup of water or milk, your choice. Microwave for 2 minutes. While that's heating, crack your 2 eggs into a separate bowl and whisk them with a pinch of salt and pepper. Here's where it gets interesting. When your oats finish microwaving, they'll be perfectly cooked, but we're not done yet. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a small amount of oil or butter. Pour in your beaten eggs and let them set for about 30 seconds. Now comes the magic moment. Instead of making regular scrambled eggs, we're going to fold in half of our cooked oats directly into the pan with the eggs. Gently scramble everything together for about 1 minute. The oats will absorb the egg mixture and create this amazing creamy texture that's unlike anything you've tried before. Transfer this mixture to your bowl and top with the remaining oats. But we're not stopping there. Add your favorite toppings, fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, chopped nuts, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon. These additions don't just make it taste better, they add extra vitamins and antioxidants. The beauty of this recipe is its versatility. Tomorrow morning, try adding vanilla extract to your eggs or mixing in some Greek yogurt for extra protein. You could fold in spinach for greens or add a tablespoon of chia seeds for omega-3s. This breakfast contains approximately 25 grams of protein and 40 grams of complex carbohydrates. That's more protein than most protein bars and more fiber than 3 slices of whole wheat bread. Plus, it costs less than $2 to make. The best part? This meal will keep you satisfied for hours. No more grabbing sugary snacks at 10 in the morning because you're already hungry again. The combination of protein and fiber creates lasting satiety that powers you through your busiest mornings. Try this recipe tomorrow morning and let me know in the comments how it transforms your day. Subscribe, like, and share for more quick, healthy recipes that actually taste amazing.